Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to put iron-on or HTV vinyl on a denim pencil case. What I have is I've got the pencil case, I've got my Cricut heat press mat. This is the 30 by 30. Then I also have my image, which is of a daisy. So I've got white for the flower and yellow for the centerpiece. Then I've also got a piece of baking paper, not wax paper, because obviously wax paper has wax on it. Baking paper, or you can use butcher sheet, butcher paper, Teflon sheet, anything to protect your material. And then I'm going to be using a normal household iron. I am going to be using it without any water in it. And I'm going to be using it, if you can see there, on the cotton setting, even though this is denim, so I could make it a little bit hotter. We just don't want to burn it. So steam off, no water in, let it get to temperature. And then what we do is when the light goes off, we know that it's reached the temperature. So we just want to heat it for about 10 seconds before we begin. This allows basically the materials to get warm, and then we can put our image down on it, and the image will start to adhere already to our material. Okay. Just be careful, don't burn yourself on your iron. Okay, and then we're going to place our image, and I sized my image so that it would perfectly fit on my pencil case. Okay, so we're doing the flower part first. We take our image, and because irons have holes in them, we're going to do it section by section. So we're going to do the first section for 30-ish seconds, then we'll do the second section, and then the last section. Because we are double layering it with the white and the yellow, we don't have to do it for the full amount of time, because we don't want to melt the HTV or iron-on vinyl, and we want to keep the heat consistent so that the vinyl can adhere nicely to the denim. Okay, and then we'll move on to the next one. You can just check it, make sure you're happy with it. If you see the fibers of the material through the vinyl, then you know it is starting to adhere nicely. Because my images do have a lot of little ends to them, we have to make sure it adheres nicely, otherwise it's not going to peel nicely, and that's problematic because we won't be able to move on to the next step then. Right, we can check it, see if it is adhering to the denim. Your different vinyls have different peels, whether it's hot or cold. You can see it's still sticking, not sticking there. So we'll do a little bit more there. Now we need to find our centering point on our images. It shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, put it back on again. And now we'll do the full 30 seconds for this. When it comes to things like this, when it's a flower or anything else like that, and you're not worried about it being inverted, you don't have to mirror your image. Whereas if you are doing wording, make sure you mirror your image, otherwise you're going to be wasting vinyl because your words will come out backwards. Also remember that your iron-on vinyl, it goes shiny side down, so we cut the backing and then it leaves us with basically our transfer sheet on the front. Similar to our normal vinyl, how we would use transfer sheet to move it from the backing to an object. Okay, we'll turn our iron off. Okay, we would not wash this or get this wet for the next 48, if not longer, hours. Our denim daisy bag. If you liked my video and found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!